Hello, my name is Caroline Giese, and I live in Council District H. We can all agree that what happened in Orlando has no place in this world. We must also take a step closer and realize what kind of hateful, intolerant rhetoric fuels these kind of attacks. Unfortunately, Councilmember Knox has stepped out. Hopefully he's listening at the annex. Councilmember Knox, I'm here today because of hateful rhetoric made by those you surround yourself with. The rhetoric made by people you call friends and employees is not only hurtful to the communities they are targeting, but outright dangerous. You personally attended protests where anti-LGBT, specifically anti-trans sentiment was the norm. You also have a staffer who made disgusting remarks about the Islamic faith. You represent the entire city. You represent trans Houstonians, Muslim Houstonians, and Houstonians who understand that love and compassion go much further than hateful speech that only serves to fan the flames of intolerance. I teach middle school in Sunnyside, District D, and always tell my students that the company you keep says a lot about who you are as an individual. I'm proud to say that I keep the company of the lovely Houstonians who claim the Islamic faith, who are trans, gay, lesbian, bisexual. Your company says a lot about who you are. Your company says a lot about who you are. So I have to ask Councilman Knox, are you proud of who you surround yourself with? What does it say about you and your level of compassion and dedication to all Houstonians when who you represent when you choose to surround yourself with bigotry and hatred? Also, off script a little bit, I just want to point out the irony of having two council members who voted against non-discrimination in Houston have the honor of reading the names of slain LGBT members from Orlando. If you are going to be with the LGBT community, you need to be with the LGBT community, not when it's just politically convenient. Thank you.
Thank you very much.